this is Kelly Phillips, the WP Plugin Coach, here to help you hit it out of the park with your WordPress website. Today I have a little sneak peek at a new feature of WordPress coming in version 4.0. Now version 4.0 will be coming out later this month. I'm filming in August of 2014, so if it's past that time, this is probably in your current version of WordPress. One thing that is very important in your website is keeping your brand consistent throughout all of the different color elements that you're using. So let's say that you want to take a little pull quote or something like this little sentence here, and you want to change it and use a brand color for it. Well, in 3.9 or earlier, if you come up in the toolbar to the text color button, you only have some set colors to choose from. But what if these are not your brand colors? What do you do? Well, at this point, you have to code CSS to get this to look like your brand color. In the new version of WordPress, which is 4.0, and I'm going to switch over right now to a beta site for 4.0, if you want to turn a sentence to a color, you go back up to the text color, but now we have this handy little custom area. You can click it and it brings up a lovely color picker for you. So if you're looking for a certain blue, you can find the blue right here with your color picker. Now, to be really consistent with your brand though, you don't want to eyeball it. You need to know either the RGB or the hexadecimal value of the colors you're using in your branding. If a graphic designer did your logo, they should be able to give you these colors. But if you don't have any way of getting these, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and free way to do it. Now you can do this if you have graphics editing like Photoshop, any of those other tools. You know, you probably know how to find the exact values of your colors in those tools. But this is for those of you who don't have tools like that to use from. There's a really easy way to do this. Now I want you to open a browser after this video and go to imagecolorpicker.com. So imagecolorpicker.com is a free website that is going to allow you to choose an image and upload it and find the exact value of those colors. You can either upload an actual graphic or you can just put in the URL to a graphic that's out on the web, and that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to go over to my blog, and this is a pretty cute picture of a hound dog. Let's say I want to know exactly what this brown is. Maybe I want to pull it out and use it in a graphic. What I have to do is find the exact URL of the image. So not the URL of this page, but of the image. So if I right click on the image and I say copy image location, that copies the URL of the image itself and puts it on my clipboard here in Windows. Now I can switch back to the color picker and just Control V to paste that URL into the box and click go, and we should see that image load up right here in just a second. There it is. It's kind of small, but if we go in and put our color picker, you know, right on the dog's fur with the brown that we like, you'll see down here this is giving us the RGB and the hexadecimal. It calls it HTML code, but this is hexadecimal value of these browns. So let me get the exact brown that I liked. Let's see, somewhere right here near his eyebrow. There we go. Now I can just copy this hexadecimal code, come back to WordPress, go to custom, and paste it in right here. And it looks like you don't need the pound sign in front of it. And when I click OK, my text is that exact color that I chose out of the dog's fur. So this is one of the great new features in WordPress 4.0. If you already have 4.0, hopefully you're enjoying this and your sites are looking really good and very tightly branded, because that is absolutely key to having a great site. So head on over to WPPluginCoach.com, check out the latest things on the blog, and if you have any questions about plugins, click on this Plugin Scout graphic right here and submit them to me. You might see them show up in my blog or web show.